Hello guys and welcome to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the white flash transition effect in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I've imported these two clips onto my timeline over here. To add the transition effect, come over to Effects over here, come down and select Video Transitions and search for Brightness Flash and apply this transition in between your two clips over here. Now, if you can't apply it in between your two clips, hit Ctrl Z to undo it. And what you want to do is to delete some frames in between your clips and move your clips together. Next, go to Effects and drag your transition in between your clips. Now, if I go back now, you can see the transition that has already been added. Now, to modify this transition, select the transition and come over to Inspector and select Transitions, and you can increase the brightness over here. And to increase the duration of this transition, come over to the transition. And to adjust the speed of the transition, come over to Transition. You can either reduce or increase the length to speed up or slow down the transition. And that's it guys on how to add the white flash transition in DaVinci Resolve.